Good morning, Amma. Junior CCM students. So this is another topic in first chapter that is called significance of political science. Okay. So we had scope of political science, meaning of political science. Then important topic is significance of political science. Okay. So what do you mean by significance? Significance means what, ma? Importance. Okay. So importance of political science. What is the, here you have to know what is the importance of study of political science. Okay. What is the importance of study of the political science? So there are several points under the importance or significance of political science. What are they? Let us going to discuss about that. So first one is political science. Here I wrote small form of the political science, that is POL.SC. This is the short form of the political science. So political science explains concepts and theories. Okay, concepts and theories. So in previous class I explained you about the concepts and theories. What are the concepts? Political concepts also known as political ideas or political concepts. Okay. For example, liberty, equality, law, okay, justice, okay, fraternity. All these are called political concepts. Next, theories. What are the theories of political science? Liberalism, utilitarianism, socialism, Gandhiism, okay, Marxism or communism. All these are political theories. So we can study all these concepts and theories in the political science, not other sciences. Okay. So the importance of study of political science or the significance of study of political science, it explains about the political concepts or political ideas and political theories. I gave examples also. What are the concepts and theories? Okay. So it examines. What examines? Political. Second important study of political science is political science examines the forms and governments. Okay. So forms and governments. What are the forms of the government? There are several forms in government in ancient period. For example, monarchy, okay, aristocracy, bureaucracy, then democracy. Democracy is modern concept, no? They are the forms of the government. So what are the forms and organs of the government? I'm sorry, organs of the government. And next I will explain about these forms and organs of the government. Next one, political science enlightens on rights and duties of the citizens. Okay, na? It enlightens the citizen, or political science shines the citizen or individual proper use of rights and duties. In previous class I told you what are rights and duties. Okay. So how how the individual can use the rights, how it can be claimed by the individual. So it explains or enlightens the citizen proper use of rights and duties. Okay, Nama? Then political science provides the knowledge of the political thinkers. For example, political thinkers Robert Adol, A.G. Garner, okay, David Easton, Gabriel Allman, okay, Nama? So Gettil, Bentham. All these are called political thinkers. So it gives some important knowledge about the political thinkers who gave the definitions of the political science, state, government. So it gives knowledge of the political thinkers. Okay. So give some examples. Give some names of the political thinkers and Garner, Gilchrist, Gettil, okay, Aristotle, Jeremy Bentham, J.S. Mill, so Woodrow Wilson, Blantyre, all these are called political thinkers. So it gives knowledge about political thinkers. So that is also one of the important study significance of the political thinker. Okay, ma'am. Then it deals, which deals, political science deals with the international relations, co-relation between or among the other countries. So friendly countries ఏంటివి మన కంట్రీకి, రష్యా, చైనా. సో ఆల్ దీస్ ఆర్ బార్డర్ కదా, మనకి సమీపంగా మనకి నియర్ బై ఉండేటటువంటి కంట్రీస్ అని ఫ్రెండ్లీ. సో రిలేషన్షిప్ విత్ అదర్ కంట్రీస్, that is called international relations. For what there is a relationship between one country and another country? So to fulfill the needs of the people or needs of the country. So that's why there is a relationship with other countries to maintain, okay na, co-relationship, friendly relationship, to borrow, to gain something ఫ్రమ్ అదర్ కంట్రీస్. మనకు కూడా అంతే కదా, ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ ఉండాలి కదా. రిలేషన్షిప్ లేకుండా, ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ లేకుండా మనం ఏది కూడా, మనం ఒక్కళ్ళమే ఏది గెయిన్ అవ్వలేము కదా. సో వి నీడ్ టు అదర్స్ హెల్ప్ కదా ఇన్ సర్టెన్ థింగ్స్. సో సేమ్ లైక్ దట్ there is a international relation to one country another country, there is a relationship between them. So that is, it explains, the political science explains or deals with the international relations. Next one, political science explains world organizations. What are the organizations? So United Nations organizations, World Health Organization, so WHO, okay, then ILO, then IMF. All these are the agencies of the world organizations. World Health Organizations, International Labour Organizations, International Monetary Fund, all these are the world organizations explained by the political science, not other sciences, not by the other sciences. Okay, ma? So this is the important topic in first chapter, that is called significance of political science. Significance means what, ma? Importance of political science. When we study the political science, what we should gain. Okay, so that is the significance of political science. Now in next few minutes I will explain what are the forms and organs of the governments. There are few new words, okay na, so that's why I am explain in next few minutes.